I've lost my Bluetooth remote, and I have to tell you guys, it's like the worst thing. It's just my 2-year-old always wants to sit back here and play with all my makeup, which I'm fine with, but damn, she lost my Bluetooth remote, which sucks. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've been able to sit down and film a talk through glam look, and I wanted to come back with a bang. And this is kinda, sorta, not 100%, but kinda sorta a Pride Month look. I wore my cute little equality shirt that you guys can't even see, but it says equality, I promise. I am not a part of the whole Pride gang here, but I am a very strong ally. I think that it doesn't matter who you love. It has zero effect on anybody else in this world, and you should be able to do whatever you want to do unless you are hurting someone else. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was super fun to create. We got to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, which I do actually own 2 of. One is completely unopened and unused. It is for an upcoming giveaway. Whenever we get to that little milestone, it will be in one of my giveaways. And it's just a really fun, colorful look. There's a little bit of iridescent, there's some yellow, there's some pink, there's some orange, there's a lot of purple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you do enjoy it while you're watching, you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also leave me a comment down below with any future looks you want to see or how you feel about this look. It's not everybody's cup of tea, and I'm okay with that. It's totally fine. Would I ever wear this out? Probably not. Am I having fun in my bedroom by myself? Yes, I am. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I actually need to fix this. It's actually Jennifer Metcalfe Beauty, but it's all good. It's linked down below in my description box if you guys would like to check that out. So, I think I'm gonna stop rambling. Oh, wait, one last thing. Okay, I'm really sorry. There's literally nowhere for me to film in my bedroom, which is what my options are now because my Ellie Belly is old enough to have her own room now. So there's nowhere to film in here where I'm not by an air vent, which is absolutely irritating, but you will throughout the video. I thought it was about to kick on. You can hear my air kicking on and off, and it is like full-blown summer where I live, and it's just too fucking hot to turn off my ceiling fan. I do have a box fan underneath me that I turn off while I'm filming, but I cannot part with both of my fans. So my ceiling fan clicks for some reason. I should probably have James check into that, but I'm gonna officially stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Prep yourself for makeup less Jennifer. Okay, I am so freaking excited to finally be able to use this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Volume 2. I do not have the original, so I'm like hella excited. And just go ahead and crack the spine here. I can't be the only tacky bitch that does that. Okay, so I'm not a honey on what I want to do today. All I know for sure is I want to do something because I haven't gotten to sit down and film an actual glam makeup look in, it feels like months. So let's see, let me just gander here. Okay, I'm with it. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little crease brush. My eyelids are already primed with a white concealer, and I'm gonna go with No Joke, which is this yellow shade here. In true Morphe fashion, these are looking to be a little powdery, but work through it. And I'm really just gonna buff that into the crease on the inner corner of my eye. That makes sense. My air just turned off. That should help with the background noise. We're in full summer where I live, man. We can't turn the air off to film. I do turn off my box fan, if that helps at all. Okay, so get that buffed, and then I'm going to take, man, I'm having some issues here. I'm going to take a clean crease brush and I'm gonna go in with, let me swatch these real quick to see which one I like. I'm gonna go in with My Man, which is like this really bright orangey shade. And just continue that outward. And just kind of marry the two together in the center of my crease. Like that. And I'm gonna go back in with No Joke, that yellow, and just kind of try to get that a little more bright. I'm down with it right now. And handily, I have like 15 of those Profusion crease brushes like I just used. So let me get another clean one. So I'm gonna take Living My Best, which is this dark red shade, very carefully, and I'm just gonna add this on the end here and buff it. Ooh, that came out a little more pink than I was wanting. It's all good. Work through it. This doesn't have to be perfect just yet. I'm gonna flick it out, not perfectly. And I'm just gonna continue to go back and forth with those. Mainly the orange and the red to get a good gradient happening. And let me tell you what, yellows and reds and purples, man, you can't ever get it going good. And now I'm going to cut my crease quickly wherever I find my brush. Okay, I'm going to quickly cut my crease just because I'm being extra. I want like full dramatic happening today. So let me just, so now I'm going to take so hard to decide. I'm gonna take Therapy Sesh, which is this light purpley kind of shade, and I'm gonna pounce this on the inner half of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with another clean brush, and I'm gonna go in with Tipsy Girl, which is a super pretty hot blue toned pink. And I'm gonna just pack that on the outer edge. This is a lot of color happening all at once, and I'm loving it. This pink's a little rough. I don't like that pink. I like the color, but it's being really difficult here. You're not really concerned with this outside corner shape here. We don't care about that. Just trying to get that pink to not look splotchy as fuck. I'm gonna go back in with that purple and kind of really only using the purple because it seems to be the one to blend. Like so. And actually, I'm doing a quick change here. I'm not liking how that yellow is jiving on my inner corner. So I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of a lighter orange. This is Positivity. And I'm just going to blend right over it. I mean, what can we really do here? I just want a good gradient. Yeah. So I'm in it is like this, just trying to find a brush. I'm sorry. I'm in it is like this really pretty iridescent-y color, and I'm gonna try yeah, just pop it over those lid shades. Because, I mean, glitter. Okay, they really did more on the purple than it did on the pink, but it's fine. So this is already a little extra. I've done used 87 brushes. It's all good. It's all good. So quickly, I'm going to get that sharp edge happening. Definitely don't do that. Use a makeup wipe or Q-tip and micellar water or Q-tip and Vaseline. But you know, you do you. You do you. So I'm going to quickly hop off the screen and catch up my other eye. This is kind of looking a little Jaclyn-ish, but I'm here for it. So let me catch up the other eye, throw on my face makeup and my eyebrows. Did you guys notice I have 2 full complete eyebrows right now? God's honest miracle. So let me even this all out and we will be right back to continue this super cool look. And hopefully my hair won't be on when we come back. Okay. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. I'm feeling a little bit better here. I do have my face on now. I'm feeling less weird as fuck. Anywhoser. So I'm gonna go in with No Joke, which was that bright yellow we were using to start our crease. And I'm gonna just pack this on my inner corner. I just want a lot of color today. I don't know what my deal is, so let me just pack that in. We're obviously going for a little bit of a dramatic look today, so don't worry about how dark I'm doing everything, okay? It all works out in the end here. So now the real question is, do I just want to smoke out my bottom line with black? Because I've already tie-lined it with some black eyeliner, or do I want more color? So I think what we're going to do is add a little purple. This is Not My Journey. And I'm taking a pretty thick, chunky, smudgy brush to get this going. And I'm just gonna, ooh, I'm sorry, I'm looking at my camera here. And I'm just gonna feather that up a little bit to connect that shape. Oh, sweet Jesus, that went directly in my eyeball. Did it again. It's all good. So I'm connecting the yellow to the purple, to the dark purple, and that dark purple I'm just kind of feathering up to complete that shape. You know? Just like that, okay? I have no issues here. So I'm gonna close this palette because I've did the absolute most out of it. My inner corners are starting to water, which is what we love. And I'm going to try really hard to stop digging in my damn, let's see. I got a bunch of lashes on clearance. Ooh, and I got one pair. So this is from Batty Bee Lashes. And these are in the style, I couldn't tell you. What style are these? It doesn't say. Plastic? I guess it's plastic. So I have this option. And then I got a bunch of the Kiss My Lash But Better. They were on clearance for $2. So I got Blessed, which is this style. What do we got going on next? No Filters, which looks pretty cute. And then So Real. So I actually think I'm going to go in with So Real. I'm going to add, I mean, we've already done the absolute most with this look, so why not just go an extra step? And I'm gonna add a wing a black wing just to connect all of this. I'm going to put on a little bit of CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara, and then I'm going to apply the Kiss My Lash But Better lashes in So Real, and then we will be back one more time to finish out this very, very extravagant look. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I really am getting nervous about this look. So we put these giant lashes on, I put some mascara on my lower lash line, and now all that's really left to finish out this look is a lip. Okay, so normally it's like a rule of thumb that if you do bold eyes, you're supposed to do like a nude lip or something to like balance, but I'm not gonna do that, okay? So this is from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection. I understand there's drama going on, but let me explain something to you. I don't watch Jeffree Star, like hardly ever, maybe like a video every couple months. I don't watch Shane Dawson. I've never really watched Shane Dawson. I just really was excited about the collection, okay? I'm in it for the makeup, not for the drama. So there's that. So this is the shade Are You Filming? And it's like this really pretty bright orangey red. So I'm going to apply that and then we'll wrap up this business. Okay. So I actually kind of really like the shade. I've never used it because I honestly thought it would make my teeth look a little more yellow, but I think it's alright. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm so excited to be able to do like fun makeup looks. I do have like at least one more look out of the Jaclyn Hill palette that I really want to film for you guys and get up, and then I have 2 whole other palettes that I want to do a couple looks out of each. So with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure if you do, you give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers and we are currently on our way to 600, which is so fun. You can also leave me a comment down below with how you feel about this very dramatic look. You can tell me if you like it. If you don't like it, you can just say hey. You can request a different look that you guys would like to see. I really honestly just like getting to talk to you guys down below in the comment section. And with that being said, I'm going to stop rambling and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.